So to fix this problem, go straight over here to your notification bar, and what you have to do is to tap on your profile, your settings over here, which is close to your profile account. So just tap on it, and you're going to be in your settings. So when you get to your phone settings, tap on apps and notifications. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on see all apps. After tapping on see all apps, try to tap on the search app. Then type in X. Then after that, you just scroll and you tap on X. So when you tap on X, what you have to do is to tap on notifications and make sure all the show notifications are toggled on. After doing this, go back. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is toggled on. So when it's on, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. It's very necessary. Now tap on storage and cache, tap on collect cache, then go back, tap on the force stop, then tap on OK. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to tap on this update over here. So tap on the update to get your your X account updated. So after getting the updated account, what you have to do is to restart your device. Do you get me? So to restart your device, tap on your power button for some while. Then you tap on restart. Then after that, you tap on OK, and you're going to get your account, restart. So your phone is going to be restarted, and your account is going to be secured, and every problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.